Hi everyone, welcome. Today I have Bang & Olufsen Beoplay H7 headphones and I'm going to show you how can you easily download its app for your Android phone. So at first we have to open Play Store app. Now we have to go into search. In the search tab we have to search for Bang Olufsen app. Now as you can see, the second one is Bang & Olufsen. Bang & Olufsen AS. We have to click install. Now we have to wait a moment until our app installs. It can take a while because it depends on your internet connection. And now, when your app is installed, you can search for its icon and move it to your home screen. As you can see, it's over here. That's it. Hope it helps you. Goodbye.